It's an old abandoned town. Check out this caboose. Man, this whole like trip's been pretty crazy. We've seen a lot of trains, some passenger trains, some locomotives. I'm inside of a caboose. Somebody loves Lindsay. Looks like somebody still lives in a couple of those. I'm not gonna go bother them. So this is the Desert Center Cafe. And I could have sworn last time we came through here they were gonna reopen it. Still looks pretty much the same, just a lot more dust. They've been closed a while. Old school pumps. I don't know if many of you can remember or if any of you ever used this style pump. Leave a comment if you remember these old Chevrolet pumps. They're closed.
Holy crap. That was legit in there.
Mm-hmm.
I want that Coke fridge so bad.
Remember last time we went in there?
I like how they still have like the lifesaver things.
It's just gotten pretty dark in there because they closed up all the windows.
The Wendy's.
Hi.
Does it work?
Yeah, I just, it's connecting with all the satellites. We actually ran into the guy that owns the town, the grandson of Desert Steve, the guy who started Desert Center, and he gave us permission to go in here. One thing he mentioned is he does chase people out of here. Look at all this old farming equipment. I think what it does is it takes a bale of hay and stacks it up in the, gets it up to the second level. I think it had a motor with a pulley, because here's the two chains. Watch out for this. Just a bathroom. Kitchen area. Here we are, January 3rd, 2018. And it's so crazy because there's so many dead palms out here. But here's where the kids would play tetherball. Doesn't look like there's any more tetherball. Surprised this place didn't take off more. I can always remember Colin playing Foursquare, getting down with a little bit of... Not anymore, not here. Well, hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.